So, paano kayo nagkakilala ni Conrado Cruz? Paano kanya napaibig? Paano kanya napahumaling? Paano kayo naging close?
Nakilala ko po siya nun sa market po, nung nagtatrabaho po ako ng sales lady po. Bali po,
Okay.
nagka-chat po kami sa Facebook po. Tapos, yun po, hanggang sa may nagsabi siya na may gusto, kung pwede daw po siyang, kasi nagsasabi siya mahal niya daw po ako, ganun.
Okay.
Alam ba niya 17 ka lang?
Opo, alam niya po. 15 years old po ako nung nakilala niya po.
So, ibig sabihin, 15. Okay, below 16 pa siya, which makes it statutory rape. Pag na-establish na ganun nga yung edad mo nung nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon and sexual relations. May asawa ba ito siya? May ka-live-in?
Ang sabi niya po sa akin, may asawa daw po siya sa US, tapos divorce po sila.
Gandang hapon po.
Ito kasing nandito ngayon, merong nagre-reklamo because a minor is alleging that you had sexual relations with her at siya ngayon ay buntis at ikaw ang ama.
That's what I heard. That's what I've been told, and that's what everybody's been telling me.
So you absolutely deny this?
I'm not any close to being a father for that child.
Do you know this person who is claiming to have
I know both of those person in there.
Naging
I do know
girlfriend?
them.
naging
No,
girlfriend?
I don't have any relationship with that person. I'm dating her sister. Her mom wants to insist that I dated her. I'm
so-
the dad of that child.
May kapatid pa ba ito si Nila?
Opo, yun po rin kinakasama niya ngayon.
So,
Dalawa po silang magkapatid. 20 years old po yung
I'm
ate
with the
niya.
person right here.
so sino ang nauna?
Sila po.
Nah, I'm with this person the whole time.
So sino yung kasama mo? Who are you with now, Conrad?
I'm with her sister.
With the older sister?
Yes.
Okay, and can we talk to the sister?